Hello, Turks and Caicos. This is the 3-day public weather forecast as of October 15th. The general situation: a dissipating frontal boundary will move swiftly across the Turks and Caicos Islands today. Widely scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms are occurring along and ahead of the boundary. Weather: partly cloudy to cloudy, with a medium 40 to 50% chance of scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms through tonight. New total rainfall accumulation of up to ½ inch, with higher amounts possible in thunderstorms. Winds: variable at 10 knots or less, becoming northwesterly at 10 knots or less tonight. Seas along Caicos Banks 3 feet or less, Atlantic offshore 2 to 4 feet. The daytime high temperature 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and the expected overnight low temperature 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 6:24 p.m., the next high tide at 4:32 p.m., and the next low tide at 11:08 p.m. The extended forecast: drier conditions will follow behind the frontal boundary over the weekend. High pressure will build across the area, bringing a dry air mass and breezy conditions across the islands. Thursday: a low 10 to 20% chance of isolated showers, partly cloudy with a high near an 88. Thursday night: mostly fair with a low around 79. Winds northeasterly at 10 knots or less. Seas along Caicos Banks 3 feet or less, and Atlantic offshore 3 to 5 feet. Sunrise will be at 6:45 a.m. and sunset at 6:23 p.m. Friday: isolated showers possible in the afternoon, partly sunny with a high near 88. Friday night: fair with a low around 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds will be northwest to north at 10 knots or less, falling light and variable at times. Seas along Caicos Banks 3 feet or less, Atlantic offshore 4 to 6 feet. Sunrise would be at 6:45 a.m. and sunset at 6:22 p.m. The tropical weather outlook: see the latest news items issued by the Bahamas Department of Meteorology on newly formed Storm Lorenzo, located in the central tropical Atlantic. Tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 7 days. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, the 15th of October, by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday. Thank you.